Welcome along to Sharjah Cricket Ground. Afghanistan winning the toss, deciding to bat. Ramanullah Gurbas got a first bowler. Oh. And straight away, Ramanullah Gurbas underway. Appeal for a catch behind. Oh, yes! He swung one way and then he swung one another. That's wonderful bowling. And Ramanullah Gurbas, he got a duck on Friday and he's out for 3 this time. Ireland get the early wicket. Afghanistan wasn't quite off the middle of the bat, that, but it'll go for 4. Bold stroke over the top from Ibrahim Zadran. First boundary for Afghanistan. Well, that's gone straight up in the air. Tector. Another wicket for Ireland. Ibrahim Zadran being positive down the ground, but that positivity has been his downfall. Another miscue. Oh, and there's an appeal for LBW now, and the finger's gone up. Adair's on a hat-trick. What a start for Ireland. Brilliant stuff. Oh, there's a little nick to that. Finger's gone up, another wicket, and it's another first bowler for Omarzai. Goodness me. 4 first ball ducks in his last 6.
It's cracked away. Nicely played. That's going to go for 4. That's going to help their cause. End of the over. 6 from it. 20. Oh, that's picked up nicely. That's a wonderful shot. That's gone for 6. That's almost into camera 5. Into the tower.
What a beautiful shot that is. This will give.
Chopped away. Nice solid shots. 4 runs. Good work from Nubby.
I think Barry McCarthy will be disappointed with his efforts here at backward point. Definitely body on the line. Might not have been able to stop this.
That's picked up nicely. He has slammed that for half a dozen. What a beauty that is. Right out of the screws.
Siddiq Qatal into the party. He's been short on runs. He won runs. He's been like.
It's nicely played. That's going to go for 4. That's a lovely shot. Beautiful stuff from Nubby. He's gone to 24 or 15 now. He's playing superbly.
Well, that's good to see the positive intent despite the wicket falling. Mohammad Nabi looks
in the air. It's gone wide of the field at extra cover. Will it get to the boundary? Curtis Camphor gives chase, but not able to stop it. 57 for 4. What a shot. But it came off the bottom part of the bat, but enough on it anyway to get into the boundary. Brings up the 50 partnership. And what a beautiful way to end the over. Overpitched, and he just goes straight back over the bowler's head. 78 for 4.
It's good fielding. Oh, is it out? That's really, really brilliant fielding from Camphor.
Goodness me, he's hit that hard. Mohammad Nabi slashed it away backward a point. Takes him 1 shy of a half century.
Oh, he's been enjoying himself no matter what's happening on the other end.
That's sliced off the outside edge. Sterling's trying to get under it and he does so. So Nabi, he won a couple of battles in that over.
And that's downtown. Is it going to be out? No, it's 6 runs. 6 runs off the hat-trick ball. I am absolutely certain of Muds. I had no idea.
Oh, you took the words out of my mouth, Hazy.
That's adjacent. Up goes that finger. He's now got his 3rd. He's done a wonderful job, Mark Adair. Brilliant stuff. He got 2 right at the top and he's come back and he's done the business again. It's cracked away. 4 runs. Fine shot. First up from Rashid Khan.
I tell you what, there's nothing wrong with this, sir.
Full toss. No look. No look. 6. What a shot. We've seen him play that before. That's a beauty from the skipper. That has gone. Now that's gone over. Short 3rd man. He's taken a fine catch. Adair Very well judged. Naveen Haq, he likes having a bit of a dip as well, and he's headed straight to the man, just in front of point. Dockrell is taken the catch, and that's another wicket. Oh, and he's dug it out just. See, we've had a lot of bowlers on hat-tricks in this series. Very, very nicely bowled. McCarthy pitted up with 2 for 33. Afghanistan have got 152 for 9. It's only
with target of 153 to win not just the second T20I, but take an unassailable 2-0 lead in the series. A special night. Pitches outside leg to start. I've got Tino Moeo and Ahmed Fadai alongside. We'll start with you, Tino. Where do you see this? Sublime from Paul Sterling. Stupendous, in fact. He's as good as anyone through the offside. He's hit more fours than anyone in T20I cricket. You can see why. Maybe just a fingertip. Really athletic effort from Atal at cover point, but he can't rein it in. It's a boundary to end the second. 15 for none. Pulled into the deep man out there, over his head, into the stands. Not quite sure it was fully in control from Balbirnie, but it's a maximum to really get that scoreboard moving in this power play. Man out there, and he's completely misjudged it. It's Asmatullah Ormits. I think it could have been a chance. Was he right on the rope? Instead, it's the second maximum of the over. Ireland 29. And the aggression continues from Ireland. Sterling into the act now. He gets to double figures.
Controlled the way Ireland have gone about this early part of their chase.
On the ropes. What a shot that is. Paul Sterling. That is beautiful.
Well, we said sublime. This time maybe stupendous. The runs are flowing for Ireland. Last 6 deliveries. There's been 5 boundaries, 2 of the maximums, and Balbirnie and Sterling are putting Ireland into a very confident, very strong position.
So Sterling's response is to go over the top and find the boundary at extra cover.
Well, I must say, Afghanistan's plans are totally off against... Long off goes back. He can't go through the offside. Karate!
Celebration time for Afghanistan. The partnership has been broken finally. It's karate. Up in the air. He's going away towards the boundary. Tickles into the boundary for 4.
It's nowhere near off the middle of the bat, that, but...
In the air, opportunity gone. Lorcan Tucker dismissed playing a similar stroke in the first T20. That time he got a leading edge and he was caught.
What a delivery that is! That is magnificent. That is absolutely outstanding. That's one of the finest rungans you will ever see. Magic stuff from Rashid Khan. Nabi takes it. Headed up in the air. First grab. Luckily it went straight up. Big smile on his face now, so he's picked up his first wicket. That's what happens.
Oh, the finger goes up. LBW. Balbirnie can't believe the decision. He's frustrated. He thinks he hit it, I think. Bowled. Dockrell plays on. It ran off the face of the bat. 2 wickets in 2 balls. In Afghanistan. Another wicket. Rashid says, you miss, I hit. Adair trying to improvise.
Just launched that. He said that very well. Has that gone all the way for 6? Sure has. That's a great shot.
Clean striker, Gareth Delaney holds the...
No, it's not. It's going to be another length delivery, and it's going to be deposited far, far over the long on boundary. That's out the stadium.
I warned you, Faruqi.
And that one does go into the stands. That's 6. That's right out of the middle. That's a very fine shot. Now it's 11 off 2. Low full toss. It's a full toss. Hammers that. Might be out. Is out. It's all over. Afghanistan are delighted. They have won this one. What a